about to be interesting. What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
This is about to happen.
Excited?
Yeah?
A little nervous?
A little nervous.
Yeah, me too. It's all good. How you doing, bro?
I'm doing all right.
Good, good.
Chilling.
You ready?
All right. All right, well, tell the people about it. What am I getting myself into?
Well, stock vitamin, first off. Twin turbo, BTR stage 1 twin turbo cam, a bunch of meth. And that's about it, man. Some 6158s on it. It's got a C5 Z trans, 01 diff. And that's about it, man.
Wow.
Pretty simple build.
Wow.
Not that reliable, but hey, it's working. It's working.
So hopefully it doesn't blow up today.
Hopefully. Hey, if it doesn't, though, it is what it is. I mean, it's been turbo for about 70,000 miles. Stock bottom, man. It's been probably making over 600 for about 50,000 miles of that.
Wow.
And now it should be around 800, but I'm not 100% sure.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh, he said it's faster than Nick.
Yeah. Oh, the GTR. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's got to be
It's
pretty
a milestone.
fast. What's going on? How you doing? All right, man. Rich just gave me the keys to the twin turbo Z06. I'm a little nervous, but I'm pretty excited too. He says that he's got the Mickey Thompsons on there. He said it hooks really well. If you brake boost at like 15 psi and then let loose, it'll spin. I'm not gonna do that. I don't want to spin, but he said it's about 800. He hasn't really got it dynoed. He's just kind of guessing, but let's get started. All right. Well, hello guys. Welcome to another episode of Gimme Them Keys. Today, we're in a very intimidating twin turbo Corvette. I'm a little nervous and excited at the same time. It might be, I guess that's anxiousness. Because I wanted to drive this car a while ago, but it kept breaking. And now he fixed it and he made it faster than it was before I wanted to drive it. So it's pretty fast. I don't know if you heard him, but he said this thing is faster than the Nick's GTR. And Nick's GTR is full bolt on the 85, and that thing was really fast. So we'll see. This is actually my first time driving a Corvette, and it's twin turbo. So this is gonna mess it up for all Corvettes I drive after this. I don't want to drive no stock Corvettes after this. But while this thing's warming up, let's talk about it. It's actually pretty cool. I like the C5 a lot. I think if I were to mod a Corvette, I would choose the C5 simply because it's one of the lightest ones. I'm pretty sure this thing's close to 32 or 3,300 pounds. And that's like good for power to weight ratio. Oh man, I gotta get used to this shifter. The shifter's like really notchy and definitely in the right gear. So I gotta get used to that before I really get on it to make sure I hit the right gear. But so far it feels cool. I like these bucket seats, they feel really cool. I like how he has the gauges, the boost gauges right in my face. He says this thing hits like 15 pounds. That's a lot for a V8. You got the air fuel ratio right here. You can see all your gauges with the quick plants. I think that's perfect. I like how the Z06 gauges have like that carbon fiber overlay on the speedometer. Everything feels pretty good in this car. You got the big Mickey Thompsons on there. It says it gets a lot of traction with it. I hope, because I don't want to spin with this car. Alright, we're on the highway. I think we're warmed up. Oh, it's wide open too. Let's get straight to business, shall we? I'm gonna do second gear though. So second gear from a 40. normally when I floor it in cars, I laugh. I'm like shocked at first and then I laugh. This car legitimately had me speechless. I didn't know what to say. The boost took a little bit. I mean, I don't know. I didn't brake boost. I just kind of just floored it and let it hook. And when that boost hit, it messed me up, man. This thing is fast. Wow. I don't know what to say, dude. All I know is I'm gonna turn around and do it again. I'm laughing now. Oh my God. All right, tires are warmed up. I'm gonna brake boost this time. Say brake boost about 10 pounds. See 40 roll. I missed the gear. God, dude. Damn, I missed the gear. I'll never do that. I'm laughing like a psycho right now. I'm sorry. All right. Brake boost. Tell you how fast I'm going, but that's illegal. This thing pulls, dude. This thing is sick, dude. Matched with the nice Corsa exhaust. Oh man, this thing sounds so sick. You knew I was gonna say this. I want a Corvette. I mean, I want every car I drive. You already know this, man. The car I drive is just so fun. Like I said, I've never drove a stock Corvette, so if I drive a Corvette right now, I'm gonna be bored. I probably won't, but it's not gonna be this. This thing, 800 horsepower, like 3,200 pounds. It's as fast as you think it is, trust me. Actually, a little bit faster, because I knew it'd be fast, but I didn't expect me to shock me like that. It takes a lot to make me speechless when I'm flooring it in a car. I'll say that. And this one did it. Do I want to try first gear? I kind of don't. I feel like I'm gonna miss second, but you know what? We'll see what happens. I'm not gonna brake boost, obviously, but wide open highway. My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. See, okay, I'm getting to the point where I've driven so many cars that I'm ready to make like a top 10 list or how many cars I drove. This is up there. This is definitely top 3. And it hooks. That's the crazy part. It has this much power, it accelerates this hard, and it hooks. Usually when you got a bunch of power, you're fighting the steering wheel a little bit, and then it hooks, and then it goes. This just goes. Oh my God. It's like, oh, you're ready? Let's go. I've been like watching the roads. I don't even know what the boost level is. I'm gonna try to see what the boost level is. It's supposed to be hitting like 15 to 18 pounds, I think. I don't even know it's like all the way, but oh yeah, it's up there. know it's AC in here. I need twin turbo Corvette and still have AC. Oh my god. That's sick. This car's sick, man. Oh yeah. Give it to me. Give it to me. Don't take that out of context. Even with AC, I'm sure it's fast. That's absurd. Hey, and it didn't blow up. I wish somebody would pull up next to me so I can gap the fuck out of it. So far, everything's good. Checking all the gauges. Still got oil pressure. Haha. He drove the hell of it last night too. I saw some videos of him racing other people. Woo! This thing is so fast, man. I want to play a prank on him. I'm gonna call him and tell him it blew up. I just want to see what his reaction is. He's gonna be like, he's gonna be mad. He's gonna blame me for it. He's gonna be like, oh, it's whatever. So I think I'm gonna pull over and turn it off and call him and see it blew up. Yo, we're gonna have to call Mernez. There's oil.
Huh?
We're gonna have to call Mernez. You need a tow.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oil all over the damn highway.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Alright, you want me to meet you out there?
I'm just fucking with you. No, I didn't blow up.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
Yeah, everything's good. I'm like 2 minutes down the street. I'm coming back. I'm just cruising.
Alright, do you do any third, fourth gear pulls?
Yeah, I ripped it in this thing. This thing is fast, man.
Yeah, I told you, bro.
Yeah, and it hooks. It's so crazy.
Yeah, you do a second gear brake boost?
I brake boosted, yeah. I even did a little first. I didn't brake boost first, but I just kind of like rolled into first, and this thing still hooked.
The fuck out the tires in
It actually did it, surprisingly. It spun a little bit. Yeah, it spun a little bit, but nothing crazy.
Damn, that's what's up. All right.
So I guess the streets are warm right now. I think that's what it is.
That could be it. Because last night we were probably like 50 degrees and we were out racing.
Yeah. But yeah, man.
That's what's up, though.
All right, I'm on my way back. All right. Bye. He's so down to earth. He's so chill. I'm like, oh, I just blew up my Corvette. Whatever. It's cool. Oh, man. Yeah. That was a wild ride.
I forgot to tell you, the speed was off a little bit.
Oh, really?
So, like, top of fourth is like 160, 165.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Yeah. Sorry, I forgot about that. Like, thirds, like, I think top of thirds, like 130. Top of fourth, like 165.
Dude, I was flying. Oh my god.
Yeah, me and Nick were tuning it the night before, and we were like on the interstate, like, I think we got enough space.
Yeah.
Just fucking fly up on someone. Like, oh god damn it. Like, yeah, but no, it's fucking flying.
Holy shit.
Gave you no problems?
No, it was actually pretty good.
So the motor feels good. Just pushing fucking along with the gas can.
Yeah.
Irritating, but
Man.
faster than GTR?
Yeah. Yeah. This is definitely the fastest car I drove so far.
Really?
Yeah.
And it's like the street manners are just so like.
Yeah, it just
goes.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it just goes. There's
it
just
goes.
you hit the gas and boost kicks in and we're out.
And it goes straight, like no issue with it.
That's so crazy, dude.
Yeah, but got 106,000 miles on the motor now, and I can't kill it. Not yet, at least.
Man.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate it, man. Appreciate the
Bro,
ride.
anytime.
All right.
Alright, bro.
All right, well, I'm gonna get out of here.
Alright, man. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, bro.
Yeah, I definitely did.
Oh, yeah. F you for that fucking call, bro. I was like, this motherfucker. I answered the quick as fuck, too. I was like, run ring. I said, oh, shit, let's hear it. And then he's like, oh, there's oil everywhere. I was like, yeah, that sounds about right.
So, yeah, that's going to do it for this episode. I appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all had a good time. I definitely had a good time. And the fact that he just told me that the speedo's off and I was going faster than I already thought I was. Oh, my God. Okay, well, back to this slow-ass M3. See y'all later. Take it. Stay tuned for the next one. Deuces.